You walk into this house in this nice and spacious entryway. It has 2 closets and a lot of nice natural light coming in. It opens up to your main living area, which is nice and bright all throughout the house. These 2 closets connect together, as you can see. It has shelving in them, which is great, all the way. Nice big windows. So on the main floor here, you have your nice kitchen. It's been completely renovated from top to bottom. Nice cabinetry and an open concept living space over here. So we have the kitchen, and this is where you could have your dining room or dining table, and your living room just over here. This beautiful home has 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry room, which is this space here. It's really nice to have a separate laundry room, I think. You have space here to put your products, and you have space here, I would assume, to put your laundry baskets. So this is a nice bonus. Over here we have bedroom number 1. With nice closet space. Here we have what I would call the main bedroom. It has a double closet in here. With some shelving. Over here we have the 4-piece bathroom. It has this nice tub and shower insert. Over here we also have a cabinet on top of the toilet to put or store away some of your belongings. Right here next we have the linen closet, which has quite a bit of space. And your cabinet here. The basement is partially finished. As you can see over here, we have the electrical room. Here is the electrical panel. It's a 200 amp breaker panel. There is a storage space here behind the stairs, which is really nice to have. We can never have too much storage. Then you have all of this extra space down in the basement, which you can do pretty much whatever you would like. It's a blank canvas. Still very nice and bright for a basement. So